Well, hello, Dwayne and Dylan. I'm back again. The last time I was here, I showed you some of the tricks that I like to do when I'm juggling. What I want to do now is, if you would like to learn how to juggle, I'll show you how I teach other people how to juggle. Now, the first thing to learn is that before you can juggle 3 balls, you have to know how to juggle 2 balls. And before you can juggle 2 balls, you have to know how to juggle 1 ball. So we're going to start off with just 1 ball. Now, the first step, this is a step that if you cannot do this step, you're not going to learn how to juggle. So it's very important to be able to do this step. As long as I've been teaching people how to juggle, every single person has been able to do this step. So I'm counting on you, and I hope you can do the step, but I'm confident you're going to be able to do it too. So this is the very first step. I want you to stand straight up, have your legs slightly apart, but I want you to be very relaxed. Don't get very stiff. Hold the ball in your right hand. Now, when you hold the ball in your right hand, just hold it kind of loosely. Don't hold it real tight. Just hold it very loose. And I want you to take your left hand and hold it the same way. Now, if you happen to be left-handed, people start off with their left hand. But since you're right-handed, I want you to start off with your right hand. So now, hold your hands, like I said, your palms should be facing straight up like this. And I want you to throw the ball so that it goes just about near the top of your head. When you throw it up, let it fall. Don't try to pick it up. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to show you how to do step 1. I'm going to throw it up, and you throw it up just about when I throw mine up, but don't try to pick it up. Just let it fall. Here we go. Now, pick the ball up. There, you did step 1. Because if you can't do step 1, like I said, you're not going to be able to juggle. In order to juggle, you're going to be throwing the ball up. It's going to hit the floor, and you're going to be picking it up a lot of times before you can juggle really good. So that's step 1. Now, let's go on to the next part. Here we go. We hold our hands like I said, and this time I'm going to throw the ball up with my right hand. I'm going to catch it with my left hand. But remember, just keep your head still, use your eyes, and you can kind of follow the ball, but don't move your head, because if you move your head, you're not going to be able to follow the ball, and you're not going to be able to juggle. So keep your head very still, and just follow the ball kind of with your eyes. Sometimes you just look out the corner of your eyes, but don't move your head. Now, I'm going to catch it with my left hand, like that. Here we go again. Notice I'm not moving my head, but I am kind of following where the ball is going. Most of the time, I just look straight ahead. If I happen to throw the ball off to the side, I'll move my hand over there and catch it, but I won't move my head, just my hand. Whoa, see? Now, once you can do that, the next thing is put the ball in your left hand. Now your left hand it's going to be a little bit harder because you're not left-handed, and it's going to be a little bit harder for you to do it. But after a while, you'll find that you can do it. So here we go with your left hand. There we go. I'm catching. It's getting better. It's getting better. It's getting better. Whoa, off to the side, but it's still getting better. Notice my head is straight. I'm not following it with my head, just with my eyes. Okay. Once you can do that, you can throw it with your right hand and you can throw it with your left hand. We're going to do them both at the same time. We're going to throw it right hand to left hand to right hand, like this. There we go. Keep trying. Keep trying. Don't forget, don't worry if you drop the ball. That's okay, because that's part of juggling. There. Now, that's the first part of learning how to juggle. So the next time I see you, I'll show you the next step. But the first step is left, right to left, left to right. Okay, see you next time.